Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, sorry about the wind and the super bright sun. It's scorching hot out here, but the wind's starting to come up, so it's a little extra noise. Anyways, I'm here to talk about generator gas tanks. I still prefer these type, the plastic ones. These are way better. I don't like their these type of shut-offs. They tend to leak, but the tanks themselves are awesome. They don't get rusty. They don't have problems. But I want to show you something that I've never seen a generator gas tank do. In all the years I worked on generators, I've never seen this. I have never ever seen a generator gas tank collapse. Yes, it's sitting in the sun. It's vented right there in the middle. There's no reason for it to have done this. Look at the bottom. There's the bottom. Sorry about the reflection. It just kind of sucked itself in. I cannot understand that. I mean, and it got some serious pressure to pucker the corners like that. I mean, it even creased this one right here. Here's the heat barrier. I just can't understand what happened. That is just nuts. I mean, there must have been some serious vacuum going on in there. It never did leak. My repair on my shut-off valve, my petcock, but it held up just fine. Let's go over here out of the sun. It held up fine. It never did leak. It never did leak a drop. And I didn't even imagine this could happen. I thought maybe that vent was plugged. So what I done is I took the cap off and I took a piece of this stuff. Well, this one's a little on the big side. Little big. But anyways, it's not plugged. This vent is not plugged. I thought maybe it was, but it's not. I can't even understand what happened there. Nuts. I'm going to call Champion. And I'm going to see what they want for a tank. That's the model of the generator right there. Wow. So, yeah, that's what we got. That's what we got today. Came out here, and that's the surprise I got. I have never seen anything like it. Did some serious damage to it. I thought about maybe putting pressure the other way, you know, and see if I could get it to straighten out, but I don't think it would. And is there any going to be any leaks, you know? Metal fatigue type of thing, I don't know. I did find that they want I think they want $60 for one of these things, or about $60 on eBay there. But I don't know. Anybody has a generator gas tank? Doesn't have to be yellow, but this isn't the huge generator. This is a 4,000 watt. The 3 and 4,000 watt generators have the same bolt pattern. There's 4 bolts around the outside, but if anybody has one, if they want to donate to the cause here, I'll pay the shipping, and I'll even throw in something for the tank if you'd like. That one is I'd like to use it, but it's awfully big. I'll show you. You can't fit it in the frame, and you can't fit it in the in there. You can't fit it in there. So unless you did some cutting on these outside edges, which I really didn't prefer doing. So yeah, that one's just on the big side. I mean, I'd use it if I could get it in there, no doubt, because that's plastic and it won't rust. And I could do something with the shut-off valve, get one that works. Those ones there had tend to leak, but I bet we could fix it to where it didn't leak. Anywho, that's the dilemma for today. Yeah, I still got to take that one apart. That's a derelict old water pump. I'm going to salvage all the parts I can out of it. It's a Honda GX 160, but there's a lot of good usable parts yet in it. I don't know what happened to the pump. I have no idea. I got it for nothing. The guys gave it to me. Anyways, our poor generator suffered quite the blow, didn't it? Alright guys, take it easy. I've never seen anything like this. I know I've said that 50 times, but it's the truth. Give me your thoughts on what must have happened. I have to say, I did have this running yesterday. And because I was load testing it with the old RV out there, the Prowler trailer. So I did have it running. And I shut it off. I shut the gas off, and I went in the house. Everything was fine. I took the water hose and sprinkled around it a little bit on the ground, but not on the tank. Even if I got water on the tank, I don't know, the temperature difference wouldn't matter, would it? I mean, expansion and contraction with that tank, that's what the vent's for, right? I haven't got a clue, guys. You let me know what you think. Alright, you take it easy. Thumbs up. It's been awfully hot here. It's been between 93 and 100. Actually, I don't remember it ever being 93. It's more like 95 and 100. Anyway, there's your challenge for today. You tell me what happened to that tank and why. Well, I know what happened. There's some vacuum, and it's something. I don't get it. I mean, I could see if the vent was plugged. If the vent was plugged, I could see the difference, The things happen, but, dude, the vent is not plugged. I checked it, and it's not plugged. That gas shut off was shut off. That's it. Alright. Love y'all. Take it easy. Bye-bye.